All right, Happy New Year. All right, so in this problem, number 7, chapter competition, target round, 2023, we have two planes that are intersecting a sphere. The planes are intersecting the sphere in such a way that the area of the plane inside the sphere, both of them have the same area. There's only one way this can happen. That can only happen if each plane is equidistant to the center. So that means the distance from the center to the center of this circle here has to equal the distance from the center of the sphere to the center of this circle. That's the only way the areas of the two circles can be equal. All right, so if the two planes are 8 meters apart, what is the distance from this great circle to the center of the sphere?
4 meters.
4 meters, all right. That's helpful. Now, I'm going to now draw the radius of the circle, and I'm going to also draw the radius of the sphere. Now, the radius of the sphere will go from the center of the circle, the center of the sphere, to the edge of the circle, because the edge of the edge of the highlighted circle is where the plane meets the sphere. What shape have I just drawn?
Triangle.
Right triangle.
It's a right triangle. And right triangles, well, the Pythagorean theorem applies to right triangles. So I need 2 side lengths. I only have 1 right now. But luckily, I also already have the area of this circle. So I know that 128 has to equal pi r squared. And that's 128 pi, I can put that in there. Because the area of a circle is pi r squared. Well, this just is a problem to solve. If I have a pi on the left side and a pi on the right side, they cancel out, don't they?
Yes.
Okay. So that means that the radius squared has to equal 128, yes? Okay. So that means this length here is the square root of 128. I am not going to square root it, because the Pythagorean theorem is going to tell me to square the number anyways, and I know that the radius of the circle is the radius of the circle squared is 128. So I don't need to find the square root right now. All right, so here we go. We can plug in 4 for A. We can plug in 128 for B squared, and then we can find C squared. That doesn't sound too bad. So we have 4 squared plus 128. Why do I not square 128? Yes?
Because it's already squared.
Because it's already squared. And that's going to equal c squared. Now, c squared is going to be the radius of the sphere, which I need to find the surface area. Okay. What's 4 squared?
16.
So I get 16 plus 128 is equal to c squared. 16 plus 128 is
144.
is equal to c squared. Oh, that's nice. What's the square root of 144? 12, which means the radius of the sphere is 12. But you know what? I don't need to know that. Do you know why? Really, I just need this 144 because in the surface area, I'm squaring the radius, right? Okay, so that means my surface area is equal to 4 times pi times 144. Why do I not square 144? We already squared it. All right, what is 4 times 144? It is not. So the surface area is 576 pi. That is the answer. Eli, would you like to confirm that that is the answer for number 7?
That is the answer for number 7.
Look at that!
Yeah, I got that too.
I'm sure you did, Hank.
Great job,